Welcome back to this new video tutorial on Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to learn how to use data entry form to enter the data. As you see in the screen, by using this data entry form, the data is being entered into the table. So let's start. How do we do this? First of all, create the column headers for entering the data. Here I am writing invoice number. In the next cell, write customer name. In next cell, write product name. In next, type quantity, and in another, type value. Now we have to convert this into table format. So select this column header and one more row. Then press Ctrl T in the keyboard. This will open create table dialog box. Click on this my table has header option. Then click on OK. Now the table is created. After this, we have to enable the form tool. For that, click on the File tab. Click on Options. Click on Customize ribbon. Now click on the Home tab. Then click on New Group. Here you see the group is created. You can rename this. Let me rename this as My Tools. Then click on OK. Now here in the command list, we have to search for the form. For this, click on this drop down and choose All command. Now scroll it down until you see the form tool. Here you have the form tool. Click on this. Then click on the Add button. Now the form tool is added to the My Tools custom group. Now click on OK. And here in the Home tab, you see the form tool is added. Now to launch the form, you have to first select this table. Then click on the form tool. Now the form is activated. By using this form, you can enter the data. Now here type invoice number, for example 12. To go to next field, press the tab key. Then type the customer name. Press tab key. Type the product name. Press tab key. Put the quantity. Press tab key and put the value. Now to enter this record here in the table, simply press the enter key and you see the record is entered in the table. Now you have to repeat the same step to enter other records. In this way, by using the data entry form, you can easily enter the data in the table. After finishing entering the data, simply click on this close form. Next time to open the form, you can click anywhere in the table. Then go to the form tool again. Click on new, then start entering the record. You can also activate this form by using the shortcut. That is, press the Alt key in keyboard. This will assign H for home, so type H. Again it will assign Y for the form, so type Y. This will activate the form. So next time to open the form quickly, you can simply press Alt H Y. Then the form will be activated. So this is how we enter data in Excel by using the form. And this was for today's video. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up by tapping on the like button below, and also subscribe to the channel to get similar kind of video updates in future. See you in next video tutorial.